Hi, I'm Owen Williams from Rockwealth in Leamington. In a nutshell, professional financial planning can help you make better financial decisions, which can mean taking less risk and involves less stress, and then more leisure time and hopefully a happier life. The value of financial planning can be seen most when all different parts of personal wealth have been contemplated and a plan of action created on how you will meet both short-term and long-term goals. By looking at your financial situation in its entirety with regular reviews, your progress will become clearer and your plan can be adjusted according to any changes in your personal situation or financial objectives. We work with our clients to understand their unique circumstances and provide advice and solutions which align with their long-term financial objectives. We can help you determine how much you need to save and invest to achieve your goals, as well as providing assistance with any immediate financial issues or changes in your life. Financial planning done properly can give you a valuable insight into what the future looks like and how certain actions can impact the position either positively or negatively over the coming decades.